Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to host a website on GitHub for free using GitHub Pages. This is an easy way to publish static sites or portfolios directly from a repository, so let's get right to it. First, you need to create a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click the button to create a new repository from your dashboard. The most important part here is naming it correctly. You must name your repository exactly as your username followed by .github.io. Give it a brief description and click the Create Repository button. Next, you need to create the actual files for your website. You can do this by clicking on the option to create a new file directly in your new repository. Name your first file index.html and paste the HTML code for your website into the editor. Scroll down, add a brief description of what you did, and hit the Commit Changes button to save the file. Now you can repeat this exact same process to add your styles. Create another new file, name it web.css or whatever your style sheet is called, paste your CSS code in, and commit those changes just like you did with the HTML file. Now your repository holds the code needed to actually display and style your site. And finally, you need to enable the hosting feature to make it live. Navigate to your repository and click on the Settings tab at the top. Look at the left side menu and scroll down until you see the Pages section. Because you used the special .github.io naming convention, GitHub automatically recognizes this as a user site and will publish it to that exact web address. And that's it. Your website is officially hosted online for free. If this quick guide helped you get your project live today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.